Hey guys, Fix Alex here. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace door handle on this 2023 Toyota Sienna. This is the tools: Phillips head, Torx 50 or 5mm, very small teeny screwdriver. And first step is to remove the door panel. 3 bolts, 1, 2, pull this cover from the back, and the third bolt right here. Now pull your panel. There is like 10 clips. Pull your panel out. You need to remove this white cover. Remove 3 pins like this, 1, 2 and 3, and pull your cover out. Pull your cover out. Okay, so this is out now. Now remove this cover on the side. There is Torx 50. You gotta lose this bolt. Lose this bolt. Lose this bolt. And now you can remove this piece. Same thing for the driver's side. I'm sorry, it's not ready. So you remove this piece. Now stick your hand inside. You see this white clip over here? You gotta push it on both sides. Remove it like that. And now you can remove your door handle. And now you can install your new door handle. Stick it in. Just like that, and put those 2 clips back in, and that's it. Make sure your doors open before you put everything together, and then just Torx 50 and put back in same like you removed it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and comment what else should I record next about this car. Thank you and bye.